Welcome back to my channel, Gabrieles Mist. I am Rosemary, also known as vivikarrina. Okay, it's been some days that I didn't make a video, but I've been uploading. So yes, I ordered some soaps. Yes, more soaps. Okay, and this time these soaps are from, let me cover it from her okay, I will be opening this bag. So as you know, I don't need to be purchasing soaps because I make a lot of soaps and all type of soaps. But when I see a design that I love, I will purchase it, because I will not redo that design as my own. I will purchase the design that I love and I like, and I will support the other soapers. Okay, even if they don't support me, that's okay. Anyways, here it is. Oh, these boxes, I love them. I was going to order them, and then I saw that Kenny had them, and I was like, oh, she had them. Anyways, look how beautiful. Your support is such a blessing, and I know that. Thank you. These boxes are really pretty. Yeah, so I ordered, you will see. Okay. I don't want to cut the sticker. Why? I don't have to cut the sticker. Here. This is how it comes. Really well packaged. This is from Royal Apple Berry. The owner of Royal Apple Berry is Miss Kenny. She's been having okay, well, then again, this is from Kenny the Messy Soaper. She's the owner, and I have been watching her channel for months, maybe a year, and she makes some beautiful soaps, and I had never had the opportunity to order from her, and this was the time. There's always a perfect time. You can go to her channel. I will link it down below in the comment sections. No, sorry, in the information box. And you can watch her channel and give her some support. She's been through tough times, and all of us have different battles in life. But if one support one another, those battles are less heavy. So you get the point, right? So let's get to the soap. She packed this beautiful. Good job, Kenny. I'm loving this. Oh, so pretty. Look at. This is the card. Yes, please go and watch her channel and give her some support, some prayers, please. And yeah, She sent me a note, and that will be keep. I will keep this note because it has sentimental value to me. I love my fellow soapers. I love them for real, like brothers and sisters. Okay. They're so cute. Her stickers. Okay, it's this size. This size. Woman, this size. Okay. Something beautiful inside, and I bet it's true. I don't want to break the sticker. I love to do scrapbooking. I love paper. Yes, I didn't break the sticker. Okay, neither the paper. Oh, beautiful! Look how pretty. And it smells awesome! Oh my goodness. So she sent me some samples. This is wait a second, I don't know what is this. Something beauty. I'm sorry, I don't know. Something beauty. I will put it down here somewhere. Here, maybe here. I will put the name there. This is a little sample. Oh, smell awesome. Oh wow. I like this. Didn't smell this before, so I'm liking it. It's different. And Divine, returning soon. Divine. Oh, it smells awesome too. How beautiful. I love this smell. It's great. If you want some soaps from her, you should hurry because they are going fast, really fast. And you know why I say that this was the time for me to purchase her soaps? Because she made, and you know she made because this is her soap, you know, this is her soap. She made this soap, and I was like, oh, I like it. It's beautiful. The pattern in the sides that she make, they're great, and this is her design. So I was like, oh, I want the soap. Maybe later. And later is that this, I believe this was the last one. Oh my goodness, this was for me, okay? So this is Mermaid Splash. Oh wow, guys, I can tell you this smells great, but it's out of stock, so you have to wait until she remake it. How pretty, look at that. And this one, yeah, gotta have them both. couldn't have when I needed both. Oh goodness. Mermaid Revenge. And you know I'm a little dark, so yes. Oh goodness. Oh my god. Sorry people, I'm having a moment here. Ah, qué rico. I love them both. So look at the little mermaids on top. This one has something in there. You can go and watch the video where she made this on a video in her channel. They're beautiful. Look at the swirls, both of them. Pretty. Nice. And the last one I ordered is this one. Yes, I do have the mold, the Ebates mold that I got many months ago, but the design again is very pretty. Look, her pattern, I don't know how to say that in English. On the sides is very pretty. The color I love, and you know these are my colors. And Parecian Amor. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And I love it. Yes, I do. Very pretty. Good job, Kenny. And that will be all for this haul. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And go and check her channel. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe please. You can help us with subscribing or just liking the video, you know. Thank you. Bye bye. Blessing. Love you all.